Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Amazon gift card for someone else. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to buy Amazon gift card for someone else. Just go to Amazon and log into your account. After that, click all and then just scroll down. You see here programs and features and then gift cards. Just click on it. After that, click all gift cards. Okay, now just scroll down and select the gift card you want. Okay, if for example here, this one, just click on it. Okay, now for example I select here e-gift cards, and here you get many different options. Just select the one you want. Okay, for example this one. Okay, and then here you select the amount. Okay, for example $25, and delivery required email, and then here just enter the email and gift message. Okay, hope you enjoy this amazing gift card. Okay, and then here the quantity. Okay, 1 email. Okay, just I select a random email. Come, and here delivery date you can select. Okay, for example here after tomorrow. Yeah, after that just click add to cart. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know. Yeah, just after that just click here add to cart, and then just continue the payment process. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to buy Amazon gift card for someone else. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.